Hi.
Today we're going to be eating this pizza that has obviously Ruffles juice on it.
Yeah, we
Sprinkle the Ruffles. And put them in here.
cook them.
And then we took off the Ruffles and ate them. Now there's like Ruffles juice all over the place.
So today we're gonna try it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good look. It looks yummy. You try it. How does it taste?
Tastes different. Tastes like Ruffles.
I gummed my mouth, so I'm gonna go spit it out. So now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get this piece. Nope, it's like attached to all the. Can you rip that, Mason? Okay. Oh, I felt the crunch of the Ruffles. Oh, God, that tastes bad. Oh. Yuck. Disgusting. It has like a pretty strong taste, but like has like a strong taste of Ruffles. Like all that Ruffle juice. Ruffle juice. Like what is Ruffle juice? I know we go Fortnite gamers. Oh yeah, I got that Fortnite battle pass. I just my A. What is this? What is it?
Huh?
Look at my great skin.
He be kind of tripping.
Huh? He be tripping. Mom. Alright, he be tripping.
Hey, Peely behind Charlie. He be kind of like.